allow me to introduce you to Mary Kay Clinical Solutions Barrier Restore. This has quickly become one of my favorite products. So the outer layer of your skin is called the skin barrier, right? And it's supposed to be really strong. Think like a brick wall. So it's supposed to protect the lower levels of your skin so that free radicals don't get in there and cause damage and cause irritation. However, sometimes the sun, environment, stress, all kinds of things can cause that barrier to get weak. So then instead of being a brick wall, it's more like a net. And then that causes damage to the skin barrier. When it's compromised, then the bad stuff gets in, the good stuff doesn't able to stay in, and that results in skin redness or flakiness, irritation. Any of those things in your skin usually means that the skin barrier is compromised. So Mary Kay has a brand new special product. It is a unique complex of ingredients that is a scientific version, synthetic version of your skin's natural skin barrier, what it is made of. Mary Kay has recreated it, which is really, really cool. And are you ready for this? Within just 3 hours of the first time you use it, it is clinically shown to strengthen the skin barrier by almost 50%. One time of using it, 3 hours later. And within a couple weeks, you'll see a significant reduction in any skin redness, irritation, and flakiness. And I will say personally, I have seen a big difference in my skin. I have one client who has really bad rosacea and was very, had a low confidence of her skin because of that and always wore heavy makeup and foundation to cover it. She said within 1 month of using this skin barrier, her redness was gone. And for the first time, and as long as she can remember, she was confident to not wear makeup because she didn't have any skin redness. Isn't that amazing? So if you have redness, now I didn't personally have a lot of redness, flakiness, or irritation, but if this is good for my skin and it's gonna strengthen the skin barrier, I can be preventative with it. And so I still started using it, absolutely love it. And so it's just a nice lightweight serum. Just kind of looks like that. It's really thin. You would just apply it right before your moisturizer. So after any other serums or treatment products that you're doing on your skin, but this is the last step right before your moisturizer. Moisturizers always last to it seals it, but this is your Clinical Solutions Barrier Restore. Your skin is going to love it. You are going to be amazed at the results. And like I said, the first time you use it, you'll see a difference within just a few hours. I dare you to give it a try. Also, one of the cool, unique ingredients in there is a date seed extract. So there's some great natural botanical ingredients that Mary Kay has combined in here to help it be effective at strengthening that skin barrier to give you that more smooth, flawless skin that you can be confident in.